Why most salespeople are not succeeding in their sales profession? There are 4 reasons for their failure. So, number 1, enough mindset. Many salespeople are not succeeding in the profession because they have limited mindset. It says that, okay, $5,000 is enough for me, or $10,000 is enough for this month. This is the number 1 reason for their failure. Number 2, limited capability. So understand, your experience will not give you more sales for the long period of time. So if you really want to be successful in sales, you need to update your capability. The customers in 2020 is not the same in 2024. You have to update your capability, your closing skill and everything. Third reason of their failure is they don't know how to sell scientifically. So most of the salespeople didn't learn sales process scientifically. They learn about it, they go to training about the product or the company or maybe the industry and then practical experiences. But they didn't have any kind of a practical or scientific training about sales, how to handle the client, how to handle objection, how to collect the payment, nothing. So this can be the third reason for their failure. And the final one is major one, is having no big dream. A salesman having no big dream is the number 1 reason for their failure. If he is having a big dream, he will try to stretch his capability, he will start learning sales, and of course, he will expand his mindset always. So these are the 4 reasons for the salesperson's failure. Thank you. This is me, Casac Benjali, the business coach.